utmost to uphold and deepen our relations in a meaningful way. Already now, I have felt the warm welcome of this country and its people in a very unique way. Thank you.
By dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you friendship and bonds of friendship between our two nations, and promoting to the widest extent possible, within the law, the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations. Congratulations, Ambassador, on your appointment.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to Kenya.
Good to be here.
My really best wishes, and I look forward to working with you.
Same thing.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much,
Thank
Your
you.
Excellency.
Please.
With a degree in history and English. With a degree in history and English, he devoted himself to teaching. He began his career in the Foreign Services at the Diplomatic Academy, where he trained diplomats for positions at headquarters and abroad. He significantly participated in the project aimed at preparing and educating employees of the entire state administration for the purpose of the European Union. For the past 3 years, he has served as Director of the Department of Development Cooperation and
Your Excellency, allow me to present Pellegrini. The Slovak Republic and Kenya have long-standing friendly relations based on mutual respect and cooperation. I am confident that during my tenure we will be able to deepen and expand those relations in areas such as trade, innovation, and sustainability of both. Building on this commitment, I would like to highlight 3 areas where my country is already actively engaged. In healthcare, where the link with development cooperation is most evident, our activities range from innovative measures utilizing locally sourced resources. They will open a production facility in the first quarter of the next year here in Nairobi. Finally, whether in healthcare or business innovations, the importance of a secure cyberspace cannot be overstated. Slovakia stands ready to remain a reliable partner in advancing cybersecurity, mutual